The Teton Oasis is a comfortable, dependable, and easy hydration pack for day hikes of any length. This is our most popular pack, probably because of its amazing price, durable fabric, and high-quality zippers. Plus, it has tons of features to make your next hike amazing. Pockets everywhere keep you organized. A large compartment for a blanket or jacket, 2 smaller pouches with interior organizers, and a key clip, 2 stretch mesh side pouches for easy access while you hike, and a large compression pouch on the back, perfect for a helmet, jacket, or even extra trash. Body mapping mesh on the shoulder straps and the back allow maximum airflow and comfort. A separate pouch holds the hydration bladder, which is included in the bag. It's easy to fill and clean with the removable tube and large top opening. Oasis comes in 2 great sizes. The smaller 18-liter pack includes a 2-liter bladder, or the larger 22-liter pack with a massive 3-liter hydration bladder. Choose one of several amazing colors to help you express your outdoor style. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Teton Oasis is the perfect hydration pack for your next adventure.